Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to turn off outgoing message sounds on WhatsApp web on your PC. If you're looking to minimize distractions while working or studying, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone. This will sync your WhatsApp account with your PC, allowing you to access all your chats and messages directly from your computer. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice a gear icon there. Click on it to access the settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp web experience. Now click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how WhatsApp web alerts you about new messages and other events. You can choose whether you want to receive notifications when you're actively using WhatsApp or when it's running in the background. To turn off outgoing message sounds, you'll need to look for an option that specifically mentions outgoing sounds or something similar. Unfortunately, WhatsApp web doesn't currently offer a direct option to disable only outgoing message sounds. However, you can disable all message notifications to achieve a similar effect. Simply toggle off the option for message notifications. By doing this, you'll ensure that your workspace remains quiet and distraction-free. Remember, these settings only apply to WhatsApp web on your PC and won't affect your phone's notification settings. If you're looking for more tips on how to optimize your WhatsApp experience or other tech-related advice, be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.